For apple. I'll eat an apple today. I love apples by the river. B for balloon. Fly, balloon.
C for cat.
D for dog.
E for elephant. I'm fun.
F for fish. I really like eating fish.
G for giraffe.
H for horse. I'm running. I for iguana.
J for jellyfish. I give light.
A for kangaroo. I'll jump.
L for lion. I am the king. M for monkey. Bananas are fun. N for nest. This is my house.
I built it all by myself.
Welcome to my new home.
O for owl. I am a friend of the night. P for panda. I love eating bamboo. Mmm, so yummy. I could eat this all day.
Q for quail. I am a little bird.
R for rabbit. Carrots are so delicious.
S for sheep. Look how soft I am.
T for tiger. Look at my strength, how strong I am.
U for unicorn.
Look how high I am.
V for volcano. The fire burns. Doomful. I am the one who surpasses all. X for X-ray fish. I am as transparent as I am shiny.
Yay for yak!
I love the cold snow. It's so much fun.
Z for zebra. These stripes are my identity.